Hi! We are the designers. We are passionate about space improvement. During our last episode, we showed you how the exterior of a one-story house looked like. In this episode, we will give you a tour into the interiors of the same model house and explore the design ideas of behind each functional areas. We are now in the living and dining area. In order to achieve a flexible use of space, we have adapted an open concept design approach. This makes the area look and feel more spacious. We have adapted a light color palette for its color scheme, as this creates a calm and tranquil atmosphere. Up next are the bedrooms. Each rooms were designed according to the occupant's preference and character. First up is the master's bedroom. The occupant wanted to have a simplistic design to their room. We have adapted a neutral color scheme and natural elements, such as wood finishes, to create a calming atmosphere to the room. Here is the boys' room. We have adapted an American modern design approach, implementing a bolder and brassier color scheme, which complements the occupant's character of being bold and independent. Welcome to the girls' room. Here, we wanted to achieve an elegant and cozy look, thus we implemented a more cozy color scheme. Utilizing colors such as dusty rose, cool gray and powder pink makes the room effortlessly fresh and elegant. Welcome to the kitchen. The kitchen has been designed with an optimized workflow in mind. Implementing an L-shaped configuration, it makes this kitchen efficient for people to move around the space. For cost-effectiveness, durability and practicality, we used materials such as granite stone, laminate and epoxy paint. Adjacent to the main kitchen is the dirty kitchen. During fiestas and banquets, the dirty kitchen is where most of the heavy and messy cook prep happens. It makes sense to implement durable materials such as concrete finish for walls and countertops, and epoxy paint finish for cabinetry. Here is a multi-purpose guest room. This room will either serve as a house help's quarters or simply a guest room. I hope you liked the tour. Stay tuned to our next episode. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.